Now in our structural analysis 1, today we are going to see our next topic, deflection of simply supported beam. So before we going to see our next topic, in a previous video we saw that slope and deflection method and different type example for cantilever beam. So first of all, there are different type of equation for to find out find out slope and deflection for cantilever beam. So method for slope and deflection at a point. So there are several methods to find the slope and deflection of the center line of a beam at a certain section. The following are important from the subject point of view: double integration method or Macaulay's method, moment area method, conjugate beam method, unit load method. So now cantilever with point load at a free end, so theta b equal to WL square upon 2 EI, theta b is equal to WL square upon 2 EI, YB equal to WL cube upon 3 EI, YB is equal to WL cube upon 3 EI. Then cantilever with uniformly distributed load W throughout the span, cantilever with uniformly distributed load W throughout the span, so theta b is equal to WL cube upon 6 EI, theta b is equal to WL cube upon 6 EI, YB equal to WL raised to 4 upon 8 EI. Then cantilever with point load not at the free end, cantilever with a point load not at a free end. So at that time theta c slope equal to WL1 square upon 2 EI and YC equal to WL1 cube upon 3 EI. Then cantilever partially loaded with UDL from free end, cantilever partially loaded with UDL over a length L1 from the fixed end. So at that time theta c is equal to WL1 cube upon 6 EI, YC equal to WL1 raised to 4 upon 8 EI. Cantilever partially loaded with UDL from free end. So in this case, deflection at any point may be calculated using principle of superposition. So at that time, theta b equal to WL cube upon 6 EI minus WL1 cube upon 6 EI, and YB is equal to WL raised to 4 upon 8 EI minus WL1 raised to 4 upon 8 EI plus L minus L1 WL1 cube upon 6 EI. Cantilever with uniformly varying load with a maximum intensity W at fixed end. So theta b equal to WL cube upon 24 EI, YB equal to WL raised to 4 upon 30 EI. Cantilever with a moment at a free end. So at that time theta b is equal to ml upon EI radians, YB equal to ml square upon 2 EI. Now deflection of simply supported beam. Deflection of simply supported beam. The first simply supported beam with central point load. Here simply supported beam is given AB, load W acting at point C. So at that time moment will occur, डिफ्लेक्शन विल अकर. ठीक है, कि हमारे पास सिंपली सपोर्टेड बीम है, सेंटर पे कोई पॉइंट लोड लगेगा, तो पॉइंट लोड की वजह से बीम के अंदर डिफ्लेक्शन आएगा. सो एट दैट टाइम लेंथ ऑफ द बीम इज L, सो हाफ ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ बीम इज इक्वल टू L/2. ठीक है, रिएक्शन फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो RA इज इक्वल टू RB इज इक्वल टू W/2. नाउ हम ओरिजिन ए को हम कंसिडर करेंगे. सो कंसिडर सेक्शन X एट अ डिस्टेंस X फ्रॉम A इन पोर्शन AC. So moment at point x is equal to w by 2 into x. So ei into d square y upon dx square equal to minus mx. So it is minus w by 2 x. Integrating it, so ei into dy by dx equal to minus w by 2 into x square by 2 plus c1. So it is minus wx square by 4 plus c1. ei into dy by dx is equal to minus w by 2 x square by 2 plus c1. So it is minus wx square by 4 plus c1. So x equal to l by 2, dy by dx equal to 0. So c1 is equal to wl square upon 60. Put in this value in above equation. ei into dy by dx is equal to minus wx square by 4 plus w 16. Integrating once again, so ei into y equal to minus wx cube by 12 plus wl square by 16x plus c2. Now at x equal to 0, y equal to 0, at the time c2 is equal to 0, so ei into y is equal to minus wx cube by 12 plus wl square upon 16x. Deflection. So maximum slope will occur at a and b. Now substitute x equal to 0 in equation. So ei into theta equal to wl square upon 16. So theta a is equal to wl square upon 16 ei radian. By symmetry, theta b equal to minus wl square upon 16 ei. So maximum deflection will occur at a mid span. Substitute x equal to 1/2 in equation 2. So ei into yc is equal to minus w by 12 in bracket l by 2 cube plus wl square upon 16 into l by 2. So it's become minus wl cube upon 96 plus wl cube upon 32. So it is wl cube upon 48. So yc is equal to wl cube upon 48 ei. Now second is simply supported beam with UDL on entire span. So here simply supported beam is given, UDL acting on it W kilonewton per meter. So RA and RB is equal to WL, force into distance divided by 2, WL by 2. Now हमें एक origin consider करना है. Take origin at A. Consider section X at a distance x from A. So mx is will equal to WL x by 2 minus wx square by 2. So ei into d square y upon dx square is equal to minus m into x. So it is minus WLx by 2 plus wx square by 2. So ei into dy by dx equal to minus WLx square by 4 plus WL cube by 6 plus c1. Now हमें क्या करना है? Put x equal to l by 2 and dy by dx is become 0. So 0 is equal to minus WL by 4 in bracket l by 2 whole square plus w by 6 in bracket l by 2 cube plus c1. So c1 is equal to WL cube upon 24. So ei into dy by dx is equal to minus wx square by 4 plus wx cube by 6 plus wl cube by 24. Integrating once again, so ei into y equal to minus wlx cube by 12 plus wx raised to 4 upon 24 plus wl cube upon 24x plus c2. So at a x equal to 0, y equal to 0. C2 is equal to 0. So ei into y equal to minus wlx cube by 12 plus wx raised to 4 upon 24 plus wl cube upon x upon 24. It is deflection. So the maximum slope is at the supports. So substitute x equal to 0 in equation 1. So ei into theta a equal to WL cube upon 24. So theta a equal to WL cube upon 24 ei radian. So the maximum deflection is at a mid span. So substitute x equal to L by 2 in equation. So ei into yc equal to minus WL upon 12 in bracket L by 2 cube plus W24 L by 2 raised to 4 plus WL cube upon 24 into L by 2. So it is WL raised to 4 upon 96 plus WL raised to 4 upon 384 plus WL raised to 4 upon 48. So equation become minus 4 WL raised to 4 plus WL raised to 4 plus 8 WL raised to 4 upon 384. So 5 upon 384 WL raised to 4. So yc इक्वल टू 5 अपन 384 WL raised to 4 अपन ei. ठीक है, तो ये इक्वेशन याद रखो. ये केवल हमें जानने के लिए है, डिराइव करना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. ठीक है. Now next is simply supported beam with UDL on a half span from one point. So when only half span is loaded with UDL, deflection at a mid span C will be equal to the half of the deflection. In the case of beam with UDL on entire span, so YC is equal to 5 upon 384 multiplied by 2 WL raised to 4 upon EI. So it is equal to 5 upon 768 WL raised to 4 upon EI. Equation याद रखो. Now next is simply supported beam with eccentric point load. So here beam is given AB, eccentric load is acting on it at point C, W kilonewton, span of the beam is L, reaction is RA and RB. So let a load WB placed at A from A and B from B. Now RA is equal to W into B upon L, RB equal to W into A upon L. Take A as a origin and consider section X at the distance X from A in AC. So MX is equal to W B upon L into X. Now हमें क्या करना है? For X is less than A, so at that time EI into d square y upon dx square is equal to minus m into x. So it is equal to minus WB upon L into x. ठीक है. अब ये इक्वेशन को हम इंटीग्रेट करेंगे दोनों साइड. सो EI इंटू dy by dx so is equal to minus WB x square upon 21. Sorry, it is twice L plus C1. So at C, x is equal to A and dy by dx equal to theta C. At C क्या होगा? X equal to A, dy by dx equal to theta C. So EI into theta C is equal to minus WBA square upon twice into L plus C1. So C1 is equal to EI into theta C plus WBA square upon twice into L. So EI into dy upon dx is equal to minus WBX square by twice L plus WBA square upon twice L plus EI into theta C. Now integration once again. So equation become EI into y minus WBX cube by 6L plus WBA square upon twice L plus EI into theta C x plus C2. Now at A, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So C2 is equal become 0. So EI into y is equal to minus WBX cube by 6L plus minus WBA square upon twice L into x plus EI theta C into x. So in this way we can find out slope and deflection equation for a different type of simply supported beam. Point load, then after UDL on it, and eccentric point load and UDL on a half span of the